Me.
How much did you pay for the initial raffle?
I paid £10.
So you bought, what, 5 tickets?
Two tickets.
This one was £5 a ticket?
Yes.
What was the prize, madam?
£500.
Why not? Have a punt at 10, win 500.
Yep.
Good odds. How many people did you restrict this competition to, according to your terms and conditions?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was 1 to 104, £5 a number.
Which means you would have made, which means in
£25.
total you would have made £20 profit.
Yes, Judge.
You paid your £10.
Yes. Everyone else paid everyone else paid for the numbers. It was full. Everyone was commenting when she's going to draw it. She wasn't replying to anyone. I went offline for literally 5 minutes. Went back online to see if it had been drawn. Couldn't find the post and couldn't find the live video. Then apparently 2 other players seen this video and said it'd been drawn, a winner had been announced.
Was that winner you?
No.
Somebody else won.
Yeah.
Did that other winner, as far as you are personally aware, receive the prize of, how much was it?
£500.
Did that person receive the £500 as far as you are aware?
No.
However, for the avoidance of doubt, this person did receive a refund of how much?
£10.
£10. In other words, her initial ticket price.
Yes.
Did you return all of the money to every single one of the people who purchased a ticket?
Yes, Judge.
Did you receive your refund?
I did, yes, Judge.
As far as we're aware, in law certainly, Leah did the right thing and returned everybody's initial investment.
Yeah, after weeks.
May have been weeks. The time you posted this, had you received your refund?
No.
You write, put away for her little girl on something else. Little girl is now very upset. I'm so angry, Leah. This is a robbing scruffy who has stooped so low and has, and you say, this is the bit that you rely on as being maliciously false, stolen from a child. In other words, Gemma, who you know,
Yeah.
her statement.
Yeah.
Because she hadn't been supplied with the Xbox,
Yeah.
you felt that she had effectively stolen from a child and prevented her winning.
Yes.
How had you come into the information that Gemma had not received the prize?
After I put on the scammers page on Facebook about the £500, I asked for advice.
That wasn't a scam. I believe, let's say for argument's sake, that that was a pure mistake. Things went wrong. You don't rely on what happened in respect of the £500 draw.
I wrote that after Gemma inboxed me saying she hadn't received her Xbox.
That's what I'm getting at.
Yep.
But that's Gemma's problem, not yours. She did get £200 back, but what you've called her there is a thief, and also that she's stolen from a child.
Yep.
What reason did you have to believe that to be true on the 1st of January when you posted it?
It doesn't take that long to get an Xbox delivered. She'd been owed it for weeks. It takes 2 to 3 working days for it to be delivered.
In other words, the refund of £200 had not arrived by that stage.
No.
And so you had every reason to believe,
Yep.
on the date that you posted this, that this was a scam.
Yes.
You now know that Gemma received £200 back. Do you believe it still to be a scam, or do you believe it to be a poorly administered game?
I still believe it to be a scam.
That's not the end of what she posted, correct?
Correct.
There's a second application based upon another post. Jolie owed £250 between them. In other words, you've named a third party and Jolie.
Yes.
The time you posted this, you hadn't received your £100, correct? Is that right? In other words, you relied upon this Facebook group to
Yep.
post information which you reasonably believe to be true. Am I right?
Yes, Judge.
Is it true that the relevant people had not received their refunds on the date set out there, correct?
It takes the time to
What
go through
time?
everyone.
No, it doesn't. Do it in 2 minutes. Get it in the post second class. You've called her Leah Ufrodsky. Which is your real name, Mrs. Ufrodsky.
No, Judge.
It's not even close to that.
No, Judge.
Now, believe it or not, that is material now in these proceedings. Did you deliberately write Ufrodsky because it had the word fraud in it and you believed that she had committed fraud at the time?
No, Judge.
What, you believe somebody had stolen from you, had the lucky and rather splendidly ironic name of Madame Ufrodsky?
I thought That's the way she spelled that surname.
You are charged with murder. How do you plead, Madam Homicide? You put your fraudski down because you were making a point, correct?
That was an honest mistake.
Now, you have a claim. I have to deal with your claim, Leah. It's against Rachel. It has nothing to do with Jolie, correct?
Yes, Judge.
Quite so. What's the full value of your claim against Rachel, please, madam?
£5,000. Sorry.
I think you've got a little bit out of your depth here, correct?
Yes, Judge.
And I changed my mind in the course of these proceedings about you. I want to be clear. Do you agree with me, Jolie, having heard the evidence, that that might be the case? That this isn't a situation of somebody stealing things. This is a situation of somebody trying to run a rather complicated game who loses control of it. Don't be stupid. Stay and watch the best Judge Rinder moments. And I'm talking. Understood? Don't be a moron. Subscribe to Judge Rinder YouTube channel. Right now. That's an order.